Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this so good lace frontal wig right here. This is what the packaging looks like. The hair actually came in this cute white box with loads and loads of amazing goodies that you can use to customize your hair if you want. And bear in mind that this hair has been pre-customized straight from the box, so you don't need to do anything at all. But they're quite generous with their goodies. They gave you guys $15 worth of hair grip or wig grip, if you call it, and it also comes with a wig cap. It comes with an hair cap, like a shower cap with their brand name on it. As you guys can tell, the hair is glueless. The customization of the cap is glueless. It has an elastic band, it has an elastic strap, and it also comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, meaning you don't need any glue or gel to install your hair. As you guys can tell, it also comes with an eyelashes. It comes with and hairband, the one to tie your baby hair with, and it also comes with the baby hair comb. I'm really quite impressed with this wig based on the fact that everything has been done for you guys. You don't have to do anything at all. They also give you guys extra tweezers in case you want to pluck your hair more, which I don't think would be necessary. Look at that. Look at the lace. So clear, so soft, and very easy to work with. I love the lace of this wig and the quality of the hair as well. So what I did basically was just to cut the lace and then apply the glue on the hair as well. I was going to place the wig, and bam, I pressed the lace on the glue after the glue was invisible, and that was it. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly as if it was my natural hair. Look at that. Look at that. I just pressed it in and bam, that was it. As you guys can tell from cutting the lace, you'd have already known that this is actually a great quality lace. I love the lace of the wig. Very nice, very easy to work with, and yeah, that was it. The installation was really easy and simple. If you guys notice from the beginning of this video, this hair has actually been pre-culled straight from the box. Like seriously, you guys just open your hair and then cut the lace and you're good to go. Look at that. Look at that. That was straight from the box. All I did was just cut the lace and apply the glue, which you don't have to do, but I had to because I actually wanted to wear this hair for a while so that I can give you guys the review. And bear in mind that you don't need to curl this hair, but I have to test the quality of the hair and how well the hair took to curls. But based on the beginning of the video, you can tell how easy it was for me to install the hair, and the fact that the hair has also been pre-curled straight from the box. But as always, I need to test the quality of the hair, whether it hold curls, because it's a body wave wig. So yeah, that's exactly why I called it. But you don't have to curl it, you don't have to do anything at all. And bear in mind that this hair is actually real virgin hair, so you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can bleach it, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair. That for me is just amazing. This hair is so gorgeous. Look at those curls popping, guys, popping. The curls are popping. I'm really impressed with how well the hair took to curls, and I brushed out the curls just to show you guys how well the hair curls, and the hair is really full and voluminous. In my opinion, this hair is one of the best hair that I have reviewed on my channel, based on the fact that it's so easy to install and everything has been done for you straight from the box, and the quality of the hair is amazing. Like seriously, I love it. I love the fact that you can use the elastic band to install the hair without needing to apply any glue or gel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this so good lace frontal wig right here. I am loving it, guys. I am loving it. Look at that. The hair is super duper full. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. if you are a beginner or you are the type that think, hold on, I want to wear wigs but I can't be bothered because I don't know how to do all those, you know, ceremonies around having to wear your wig, then this is definitely for you. Like, this video is for you and this wig is definitely for you because everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to do anything. Like, guys, just cut the lace and you are good to go. That's how easy this wig is. Like, completely beginner friendly, novice friendly. All you need is your scissors and you will be good to go. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the lace of the wig has been slightly tinted for you guys, especially because it's a transparent lace wig. You don't have to like apply any foundation or powder or concealer on the lace of the wig. Most of the lace has been bleached for you, so you don't have to worry about, you know, bleaching your lace or bleaching anything at all. Another thing I noticed about this is the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to, you know, worry about spending 20 years in watching how to pluck your lace because the lace has been pre-plucked straight from the box. As you guys can tell, the hair is really full. You can still tell from the front that, you know, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. You don't have to, you know, spend 20 years watching YouTube on how to pluck your hair. That for me is just amazing. Another thing I like about this band is the fact that they made everything easy for you because they've also pre-curled the hair straight from the box for you, so you don't have to do anything at all. This is definitely a beginner friendly. If you don't know how to curl your hair, then this is definitely for you. Like, you want to buy your wig and you want to wear it straight out of the box because you have an important occasion to attend and you don't want to worry about all those stress of trying to customize your wig or anything like that, then this is definitely for you. The curls from the straight from the box are actually popping, guys. Like, seriously, you don't need anything at all. And bear in mind that this hair is not just for beginners, this hair is also for pro as well. Have an upcoming event and you don't want to stress yourself about doing anything, or you don't have time, you know, to customize your wig, this wig is definitely for you. As a pro, all you need to do is just cut your lace and, you know, apply the elastic band and you are good to go. So it's not just for beginners only, it's for beginners, for pros, for, you know, average wig installer. Anyone can actually enjoy the fact that this hair has actually been fully customized straight from the box. Like, seriously, I love that fact about this hair. And I also like the fact that the lace is really soft, guys. See, I don't know how to explain this. Like, seriously, it's actually my skin. That's how transparent the lace is. I intentionally cut my, you know, wig part up to this bit so that I can show you guys how transparent this lace is. This is actually clear, like very transparent. Look at that. This is my skin. There is no cap, no nothing. That's my skin. That's how soft and how transparent the lace of this wig is. I really love the lace of this wig. Very soft and very easy to work with. And I also like the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. I like the fact that the hair is really full. Look at that. You know, if you're the type that like very voluminous hair like I do, then you are in for a treat. And the hair also took to curls really well. Look at that. Love the quality of this hair. Super soft, no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. And the fact that the hair took to curls really well is even amazing. And the fact that the hair is really full and voluminous, it got really light on my head. As you guys can tell, as I'm rubbing my head in, the curls are changing and popping. Like, seriously, this is definitely a real good quality hair in my opinion. So, and if you guys don't know Sogoodhair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, lace closure wig, they have 613, they have body wave, they have, you know, curly wig. They have all types of hair on their website. And yeah, I actually worked with them before, like 3 years ago. And go to my Instagram page now, guys. There was this multicolored hair on my page that you guys were going crazy about. The hair was actually from Sogoodhair. The hair was originally 613, but I dialed the hair to multicolored hair. Go ahead and check that hair out, guys. 2 years plus now, and I've been rocking that hair, and the quality of the hair is still superb, as you guys can tell in the video on my Instagram page. I actually posted it 3 weeks ago or so, but head over to my YouTube Instagram page to find out. The quality of that hair is really amazing. Imagine 2 years and that hair is still popping like that, and I rock the hair all the time. In terms of quality, you guys have nothing to worry about. Sogoodhair have one of the best quality hair that I have tried, like, and I'm really impressed with this hair as well, guys. Look at that, so full, no space, no nothing, really full. Like, look at that. That's what you get when you get this hair. Quality and volume and texture. Gosh, I'm loving this hair. Like, seriously, I was just like wowed immediately I opened the box of this hair. I am loving it. So another thing I like about the brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. The hair actually took 4 days to get here in the UK, and that includes the weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday as well. So their shipping is really good. And I also love the fact that the hair also came with loads of amazing goodies that you can also use, you know, to style your hair, or to, you know, customize your hair, play around with your hair if you like. So yeah, I'm quite a huge fan. So would I really recommend the hair? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend the hair without a shadow of a doubt. The hair is really full, as you can tell. In terms of quality, it's definitely A+ for me. In terms of the length of the hair, it's definitely A+ for me, because the hair is definitely true length. And in terms of the lace of the units, it's definitely A+ for me. In terms of their shaping, it's definitely A+ for me. And in terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely A+ for me. I am a huge fan of this hair. I love the quality of the hair, and I'll definitely recommend that you guys check out Sogoodhair. In terms of quality, I can assure you that you have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.